Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So, students, as you all know, that we have completed our chapter number 10, Play with Patterns. And it was already instructed to you yesterday. Along with the revision, I have instructed you that I am going to take the CET in the next class. So, are you all prepared for your CET today? Harsh Keshwani, I
Yeah.
request you to be regular in the classes now.
Yeah.
Deer Kinsara, Arav Hapani, Vedi, turn on your camera. Asta, turn on your camera, everyone.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
I
Okay,
also.
let me pin you and see. Okay, thank you. Yeah. Now everyone's camera is on. Okay, so students, as I told you that I'm going to take the CT of chapter number 10. Are you all prepared? Show me thumbs up, everyone. Yeah. Keep sorry, not rough notebook. Keep revision notebook with you for the calculations. Okay. And you have to write the answer in the Google form. You will not get the marks. I will check it manually. Okay. I will check it manually. You will not get the marks. You have to do it and submit it. Once I will check, I will post it into the classroom. Am I clear to everyone? Krisha, turn on your camera, please. Yes. So don't ask me, ma'am, are we able to see the marks? No, you will not able to see the marks. Diva, you know that you have your CET today? Okay, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So again, I will repeat for the students. You have a CET today. For the calculations, keep your revision notebook with you and you will not get the marks when you submit. I will check it manually and then you will get your marks. I will check after the class. Yes, Pritika.
Ma'am, when you send the response sheet,
Yeah, I will send the response sheet after checking.
I cannot see the full question.
When you click on the cell, no, then you will able to see the full question.
Ma'am, and, I have tried it, but it's not. So,
No problem. This time I will zoom it and then you can able to see.
okay.
Okay, so let's start the class and I'm going to post the link in the chat box as well as in the classroom. And after submission of your CET, please write the tables from 10, 11 to 15. Link is posted in the classroom. Refresh your classroom as well as I'm giving you in the chat box also. Please go to that link. Is there any child who is not able to log in? Please let me know. Are you all able to log in to the Google form? Please
Yes,
open
ma'am.
this.
I am able to log in. Yes, ma'am.
Please. If in case if you're not able to log in, please let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
And write the full answer because I'm going to check it manually. You will not get the marks right now. At first, I will check and then. So please write the full detailed answer, whatever you know about the question. I'm going to present my screen and will read the questions for you.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, in the complete the pattern, we have to just write the one pattern or
Only
the.
write the blank answer. In complete the pattern, only write the blank answer. I'm going to present the screen. Is this visible to you all? Yes or no? Because when I present, I'll not able to see you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm reading the questions for you. Complete the pattern. 2, 6, 10, 14, 18. What will come in the blank? You have to write that answer only. Next question. Check the pattern and find the missing value. Same. Complete the pattern. Only write the blank answer and write there in the space. Don't write the full sentence. Next is complete the multiplication pattern. 6 into 10 is 60. 6 into 100 is 600. 6 into 1000 is 6000. So 6 into what will be the next? You have to write that step only. Then find out A and B value, the sum equal to each side of this triangle. If you remember, we have done in the revision also. But please check the value of each side, the sum of each side. Maybe it is different and maybe it is same. So please check it. Put the correct number at the place of the question mark. Where is the question mark? 5, 10, question mark. So what will come at the place of question mark? That answer only you have to click. Ramu increases running level day by day. On Monday, he ran 2 kilometer. Tuesday, he ran 2.5 kilometer. Wednesday, he ran 3 kilometer. So after, if you observe the increasing level, you can easily find out on Thursday how much he will run. Because this is also one type of a pattern which he is following. 7th, am I audible to you all? Students, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse
Question number 7. Yes, please.
I am not understanding the third question.
Third question. Okay.
Yeah.
Complete the pattern. Observe the pattern, what they are following, and complete the next.
Okay.
Right? What is pattern? We have to observe the rule of the pattern, no? What they are following from the beginning. Continue it for the next. Viha, you have joined now. Please give your CET. The link is there in the classroom. If you want in the chat box, I will post it again in the chat box. It's posted in the chat box
Ma'am?
also.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
Yes, ma'am.
मैम विहा की सीटी बाद में दे तो चलेगा
Ma'am, if it is possible, please try to make her do right now. If it is not possible, submit it me today by itself.
ओके मैम बिकॉज ऑफ मैरिज अभी भी मैरिज
I know you send the mail also.
हाँ
Ma'am, make sure that she should do by herself
ओके ओके मैम
and submit it
हो
within a
हो
day.
अभी हो तो अभी मैं आधे घंटे में ही उसको सॉल्व करवा लेती हूँ
हाँ.
अभी मैं ज्वाइन करवाती हूँ लेकिन फिर भी ओके
हाँ,
थैंक यू
मैम
मैम
ये श्योरिटी रखना कि वो खुद करे.
हाँ हाँ श्योर मैम श्योर ओके थैंक यू मैम
Okay, ma'am. Welcome.
Ma'am, I don't understand question 8.
I'm coming on the question 8. First, let me explain the question number 7. Recognize the pattern and write the rule. So 70, then 65, then 60, then 55. So what are you observing by looking at the pattern? It is adding 5 each time or subtracting 5 each time, dividing 5 each time or subtracting 15 each time. That you have to observe the pattern rule and click the answer. Question number 8. There are 4 baskets having some apples. Each basket getting the increase with 2 more apples from the last basket. Suppose 8 hai, then 10 ho gaya. Then 10 ke baad next, could you find out how many apples will be the next 2 baskets? एक pattern follow हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Hare, have you now understood?
Yes,
First
ma'am.
it was 8, then it was 10. Then what will be the in the next 2 baskets? It
Okay,
will
ma'am.
be 12 or 14, it will be 12 or 13,
Excuse
it
me,
will
ma'am.
be 11 or 13. So you have to see the what will be the next 2 baskets. Yes.
Ma'am, in the third one, I'm doing from laptop, so there is no multiplication sign.
Put the X sign, no?
X. Okay, ma'am.
Then is 9.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you explain me question number 8 because I was doing the CET also.
See, in question number 8, they are saying that they in the basket, no, when they are putting the apple, they are putting in some pattern. First basket, they put 8 apples. Then in the second basket, they put 10 apples. Then what will be in the next third and the fourth basket? My dear, yeah, this is very simple language is used. So please try to understand this. Next is a frog is skipping 2 stairs in each time. As he takes first step, he reaches the third step. पहले first पे था, फिर third पे आ गया सीधा. So you can see here is also a pattern. 1 के बाद 3, 3 के बाद 5, 5 के बाद 7. So these are the 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me explain first, then ask your queries. Let me complete this first. 1, 3, 5, 7. What will be the fifth step and what will be the sixth step? When he will be on the fifth stair, so what will be the number? And when will he be on sixth jump, what will be the number? Then you have to find out for the sixth jump. Complete the pattern. Children, these are the just stories created, but you see the pattern and fill the pattern. These are simple, just stories are created. Am I visible to you all clearly? Students, am I visible?
Yes,
Because
ma'am. Really.
Yes, ma'am.
because you children are not visible to me. Maybe some
No, ma'am, you
network
are
problem.
visible.
Okay.
Ma'am, in your
Next
screen,
is question number 10. Now my screen is coming.
Yeah, ma'am.
Question number 10, complete the pattern. 505, 205, and next complete the 3 patterns. Complete the pattern. Next 11th also, 12th also complete the pattern. 13 is related with the number tower. And 14 is related with the rules of the tessellation. Write the rules, whatever rules you have learned about the tessellation. And the 15th, they decode the message. These are the alphabets given to you. What will be the 9 number? What is the 1? What is 13? What is 1? What is 14? And decode it. Now, wait a minute. I have done from my side. Now raise your hand for the queries. One by one. Yes, Pragyan.
Ma'am, in that multiply one, which sign I have to?
Multiply
I can't hear you. You are
X.
cutting.
X sign.
X.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Dwani.
Ma'am, in question number 11, there are
Worksheet number
capitals.
11.
Question number 11.
Huh.
So we have to do capital only, no?
Yes.
According
It
to
was
that.
already instructed when I was teaching. According to the pattern you have to follow. Once you complete your CET, start writing tables from 11 to 15 because next chapter is chapter number 11 based on multiplication and division only. For that, you need to learn the tables.
Ma'am, I have 3 questions query.
Please ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know 15th one, 14th one,
Wait.
and
15th one is to decode the message, Meta. You have not attended my class when I was teaching the decoding of the message, because here these numbers are related with the alphabets. A for 1,
ma'am.
B, Dheer, am I audible to you, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. But I was having fever. That's why.
I know, that's the reason I'm explaining you right now. Listen it and then try to do
Yes.
it.
Yes.
Dheer, A letter is having the number 1, B is 2,
Yes.
same way D is 4, E is 5, and keep on going till the Z, right? And the letter Z
Okay.
will be 26 number. Same way you have to
Yes.
decode it. So number 9 is coming for which letter? Number 1 is
Okay,
coming for
ma'am.
A, as I told you. So you have to open this numbers with the letters and you will get one meaningful sentence. Got it?
Yes.
First do this 15, then I will explain you the 14. 14 also, yesterday, if you have attended the class, I have explained also about the tessellation. What is tessellation? And what are the rules of tessellation?
Excuse me,
Dheer,
ma'am.
you were there in the lab. Wait a minute. Kritika, mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am. I was there.
So we have learned about the tiling, and I have explained about the tiling pattern also and the rules of tiling also.
Yes, yes. I have written also.
Yes. Done. 14, 15, both are done. Is there any other query, Dheer? So,
No, ma'am.
okay, I'll move to the next child. Yes, Pritika.
Ma'am, in that write the rules of tessellation.
Hmm.
We have to write the three of three or one.
How many rules you know? All.
Okay.
Put a comma and keep on writing in the same line. Got it, Pritika? Any other child? Any query? Pritika, I'm audible because it's
Yes, ma'am.
sometime coming the full screen is nobody is visible to me. Only Krishav submitted me the Google form. Krishav, Krishav, can you
Yes, ma'am.
listen? Krishav, now write the tables in your revision notebook from 11 to 15.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
And in the 14th question, we have to write the rules. So,
Hmm.
write rule 1, then write the rule, again write rule 2. That way we have to write.
See, write number 1 and write the number 1 rule. Then put a comma, write 2 because you have only one line. You can extend the one line and write it in the one line all the rules which you know.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, in Google form, I am writing one in the rules. So when I complete one, so it is going
It will
down.
not.
I'm not able to
It
scroll.
will. It will not go down. You can write it in the one single line only.
Ma'am, I have written
Don't
the
put space.
Ma'am, I have written the first sentence and it goes back.
It will come to me. Wait a minute. Let me check. And please, students, when you are decoding the message, the question
Ma'am, we are getting stuck.
I must stop.
number 15 is after each meaningful word, you have to leave a space. Students, am I visible and audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, as I was telling you, students, in the 15th question, when you easily able to decode the message, please put a space between a meaningful word. ऐसा नहीं हो आपने बिल्कुल स्पेस ही नहीं डाला तो it will be very difficult for me to read the word. I can see one child has done and that child has not put the this space between the word.
Ma'am, there are more than one word.
One sentence will be able to make.
Okay, ma'am.
Harsh Keshwani, I can see this is the reason. This is the reason you're facing the difficulty because you're not attending the classes regularly. Yes, Pragyan.
Ma'am, we have to write how many rules in the last second question.
How many you have learned? That all.
Okay, ma'am.
Put a space and keep on writing, or put a comma and keep on writing. I will check it manually.
Ma'am, we should write capital or small
Where?
in the message.
Small, okay. First letter will be capital and the other letter because you will able to frame a one sentence. So first will be
Okay.
capital and the other letters will be small.
Okay. Ma'am, there is a doubt in one more.
Ask.
Ma'am, that I have to see the number. Ma'am, the fourth one.
Let me check. That also we have done yesterday. Practice if you have remember. We have done the magic triangles. We have done the how to find the value of A and B. which we have done from many days, but yesterday also we have done in the revision also practice. Children, once you complete your CT, please start writing tables from 11 to 15 in your revision notebook. Diva, you completed you writing the tables? Students, am I audible to you all? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I can't understand the 15th one.
Decode the message with the letters. Nothing is there to understand, Pritika. Which letter is for number 9? Which letter is number 14? We find out, write the letters and write the meaningful sentence will come from there. Please turn on your camera, those who have completed the CT. I don't want to call your names. Please turn on your camera, everyone. Students, I can see you children are still not paying attention in the 15th one. It is very easy, but you are writing half of the sentence. I have noted Pragyan has missed something. Please read it very, very carefully and write the meaningful sentence. Krishav, Aravapani, Harsh, Diva, Moin, Arth, Hare, Pragyan, Dhwani, Astha. These children has to keep the camera on now because they have already
Ma'am, my
completed the
camera
60.
is on.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Let me pin
And
you
mine
one.
also.
Yeah, now Dhwani, it is on.
I also on.
Yes.
And my camera is also.
Okay. Start writing tables now.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Please go.
May I drink water?
Which child is asking?
Ma'am, Shivangini.
Let Shivani come first. Shivangani, are you writing tables?
Yes, ma'am, I'm just finding my revision book.
Okay. Only 5 minutes are left, students. Please complete it.
Ma'am, your camera is off.
My dear, this is the network issue today. My camera is not off. Pin my screen and then I will visible to you.
No, ma'am, your camera is on only. My screen.
What happened, Pragyan?
Ma'am, your camera is on only.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm telling you, no, it is a network issue today. Pin on my screen, you will able to see. Today I cannot see Dhwani, I cannot see you. Your camera is off.
No, ma'am. In my screen, all camera are off and my is on from my side.
This is the network problem today.
No, ma'am. Suddenly I was writing table and yeah.
It's okay, keep on continue your work, please.
Then we have to write table 11 to 15, no?
11 to 15. 11 to 15, yes. And students, come prepare with the tables in the next coming class, because we are going to start the multiplication and division chapter, which is tables and shares.
Okay, ma'am.
Chapter number 11. Dhwani, mute your mic, please.
Yes, fine. Done, ma'am. CT.
Okay. There are still 2 to 3 students, those who have not submitted. Vedi has not submitted. Now she submitted. Still 3 students are there who have not submitted. Please check who has not submitted. And Lakshya, you have submitted? Lakshya Dheer,
No, ma'am, I have not submitted.
please submit fast.
Yes, ma'am, but
Dheer also have not submitted. Dheer, submitted fast. Dheer, are you there in the class?
And Didi is there in the class.
But Dheer, Dheer and Lakshya, please submit your work.
ma'am, I can solve and send you soon. It's at
Why it is taking so much time?
ma'am, I can't find the answers.
You have not attended the class.
And no, but
If you can't find the answers right now, so how you are going to do it after the class? By asking from
I
someone?
can do it. No, ma'am, don't ask.
Please submit it now. Fast.
Ma'am, Shivani has come. Can I go to drink water?
Yeah, give me 1 minute, then I will end up the class, Shivangini. Wait. Students, please show me your notebook. Dheer, please submit. Submitted, yes.
Mama, I have not
Students, please
started
show me your
yet.
notebook. How many tables you have done?
Mama, I have not started yet.
So I'm going to put it into the classroom today that you have to complete the tables till 20. Learn and come in the class.
Okay.
Back
Okay.
from which table?
Yes, Hare,
Mama,
Dhwani. Yes, Arush. Yes, Dwani, Hare, put it down. Moin, Uledi. Okay. Diva, Earth. So students, I'm going to put it in the classroom that today's your work is, one is the QR code activity of the chapter chapter 10, as well as the tables. You have to write it in the revision notebook. Learn tables thoroughly, because next chapter, again I'm telling you, is based on the multiplication. Thank you students for today's class. Those who have not submitted the CET, please submit me fast.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.